Hello everyone and welcome back to 3DX. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing and giving my thoughts on the Gaomon LED light pad. This is the GA3 model and it was kindly sent to me by the folks from Gaomon. I never had a drawing board before, so I figured it would be cool to take a look at this model and see how it works. So let's go ahead and open up the box. The nice thing is that it comes packaged with some nice protected styrofoam like padding on top, bottom and corners of the drawing pad as well. It comes with a simple user guide page letting you know how to use it. It's super simple to use, so there's not a lot there. It also comes with a USB connector which you can use to connect to your PC or use an adapter and connect it to a wall outlet. So the drawing pad itself feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap. It's very lightweight as well. I don't know how heavy it is, but I would say it weighs less than a pound. Alright, let's remove the protection film from the screen. The screen itself is actually very glossy, which I was not expecting, so it could potentially become one of those fingerprint magnets. So this tablet also doubles as a board, so if you flip it over, I assume you can use it as a cutting board as well. So for size reference, the board is about 1.5 sheets of printing paper. It's not too large, but it's also not that small in my opinion. Alright, let's connect it to a power source. So it doesn't come with a wall adapter, so I'm using my own in this case. Alright, let's press the power button. Wow, it's really bright. So if you hold the power button, you can change the level of brightness. So this is the lowest brightness level. This is the highest brightness level, which is actually really bright, and you most likely won't use it at this level, to be honest. Alright, so I'm going to place something on top to see if you can see through it when placing a piece of paper on top. So at the lowest brightness, you can see that you will be able to trace fairly comfortably, I think. Here I added another piece of paper and increased the brightness to see how it looks. As far as I can see, you can see through the paper, even with multiple sheets of paper stacked on top of another. I don't currently have the proper tools to draw something cool here, so I'm just tracing the quick start guides with the regular pen. The only thing that will block the view in my test was just putting the piece of styrofoam like on top of the surface. But I don't see people using it this way anyway. The board can be used as a drawing or tracing pad, and also as a board if you flip it over. But I found another use for it as well. I know it's not meant to be used this way, but I found that it works really well as a backlight for taking pictures or video of small items. So yeah, you could use it in this manner if you wanted to as well. Right, that's going to do it here with the unboxing and my thoughts on the Gaomon LED light pad. So for the cons, I would say it would be nice if in addition to the USB cable, it also came with a power adapter. I guess they figured most people have a power adapter from their phone anyway, so I think they just went with it. Another con is the really glossy finish on the screen, which could become a fingerprint magnet. The pros is that it works as intended. It's great that it has different levels of brightness that you can adjust by just holding the power button. Using the backside as a board is a pretty good idea, I think. The size is great, not too big or small, and it feels really sturdy. The board itself feels like it's really well made, and you can use it as a backlight if you wanted to. So for anyone who's interested in getting this board, there's going to be a link in the video description. Once again, thank you to Gaomon for sending this board. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel for more. Take care everyone, and hopefully I'll see you in a future video.